Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to transform the simple dress into this two-piece set outfit right here. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the first step guys is I cutted 15 inches yung desired length ng aking skirt. So doon ako nag-cut dun sa may back ng ating dress kasi may zipper na siya para hindi na tayo magtatahi pa ng zipper ng skirt natin. So ayan. Pagkatapos ko silang kinat, so we have here the back pieces and the front. So finold ko lang yung nasa harapan kanina. And then ayan na yung leftover fabric nung nasa front. And then ayan front is I divided the leftover fabric lining and also the embroidered fabric into charan. Ayan. So 2 for 6, 6 dun sa fabric lining and then 4 dun sa embroidered. So ayang leftover naman dyan is ayan yung ginamit ko dun sa loops natin mamaya dun sa ating likod. So ayan, first thing is we're going to double hem first the sides, okay? And then ayan, naikabit ko na lahat yung sa may part ng back niyan, kinabit ko na lahat siya. Ayan, so after nan i-attach na din natin yung ating front pieces of the skirt. And for the ruffles of the top guys is ayan, as you can see, natahi ko na lahat siya, yung 4 kanina, ayan. So naging isa na lang siyang parang strap na malaki. And then ayan, tinahi ko dyan sa may bottom part niya para hindi masyadong kita yung cutting part niya. And then dun sa may taas is nag-loose stitch ako, which is ayan, yung para mag-ruffles siya. And then ganon din yung ginawa ko dun sa fabric lining, ayan. So I just tinahi ko lang sila lahat para maging isang strap lang sila. And then I fold it magkabilaan para hindi makita yung cuttings niya. And then I fold it again. And then ayun, you're going to sew it. So for the loops guys is I used yung leftover fabric natin kanina. So tigwa 1.5 yan. So 10 piraso siya, tigli 5 bawat sides. And then we're now going to sew it. And then guys, we're now going to attach now yung sa ruffles natin na ginawa natin kanina. So ayan, after natin siyang tahiin, we're going to top stitch pa siya para hindi siya yung nag-fly away na ganon. So ayan yung silbi ng pagta-top stitch natin. And then to make the top more attractive, we're going to make some sheer at the center part of it. Ayan, so I just pinned it, yung parang pinch ko lang siyang ganun, and then pinin ko siya, and then you're now going to sew it. And to finish the top guys is I just made some adjustment dito sa kanyang sleeves kasi medyo maluwang siya, so I added some elastic thread para mag-sheared pa siya. So that's all for today's DIY guys. Let's now see the final transformation.